This is going to be a video of an unboxing of the Toshiba Boombox that I got from Japan. I already opened it. Ooh, that thing is huge. And it's heavy. Yeah, I cannot get this all in one shot. There's the boombox. Let's see if I can open it. That thing is huge. I thought it was going to be a small boombox. Dang, this thing is huge. Hope the AM is good on this. How do I open it? I'm gonna get the tape open. Yeah, they wrapped it really well. There's no way I'm gonna give this to Vince. Sorry, Vince. And there it is. Get it open. There we go. I got it open. Get it up. Oh. And there it is. Toshiba Boombox. Two-way speaker. It's the RT-45D. F45D. Has a cassette player. In pretty good condition. It says FM and AM. 76 to 108. And 530 to 1600. On the top, there's the pause accidentally got hit during shipping. Eject. Ooh, it's a soft eject. You don't expect that on Japanese cassette players. This is rewind, fast forward, and this is the play button and the record. Let's see, I don't have a tape in there. I do have a tape. This one is radio off, I think. Tape, AM and FM. There's a volume knob. And on this, I don't want to break it. There is the tuning dial for the radio. The microphone volume, microphone jack, headphone jack, beat cut switch, and power. Fortunately, I don't have the power adapter for it, but I'm going to get some D batteries in the future so I could test it out. It's just the unboxing video.